We use temperature every day, but have you ever wondered why some thermometers show degrees Fahrenheit while others show degrees Celsius? In this video, we'll explore where the scales came from and how they're related and how to convert between them. There are two major temperature scales in use today: the Fahrenheit scale, mainly used in the United States, and the Celsius scale, used almost everywhere else. Both measure the same physical quantity, temperature, but with different starting points and increments. Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit developed his scale in the early 1700s, choosing 32 for the freezing point of water and 212 for boiling. A few years later, Anders Celsius created a more scientific scale from 0 to 100 degrees, marking the freezing point and boiling points of pure water under standard conditions. Both temperature scales are linear, which means they increase evenly with temperature. To convert them, we adjust for the different 0 points and scale sizes. Use these simple formulas to switch from one system to the other. Let's try one example. To convert 68 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius, subtract 32 from 68 to get 36. Then multiply by 5/9. The result is 20 degrees centigrade, a comfortable room temperature. Now let's go the other way. Multiply 100 degrees centigrade by 9/5 and add 32. You get 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the boiling point of water, exactly how Fahrenheit designed it. Fahrenheit and Celsius both describe temperature, just with different 0 points and scales. Remember, water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade or 30 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. With these simple formulas, you can convert between them anytime. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more quick physics unit lessons right here on the Math and Physics Learning channel. Thank you for watching.